Are you an affiliate marketer who's failing and not getting the results you hope for and would like to know why you're failing and what to do about it? Hi, my name is Edwin De Leon, and in this training video, you will learn the following. 6 secrets why 97% of affiliate marketers fail, which they're hiding from you, okay? And a top 1% clickbank affiliate, John Thornhill, and his proven done-for-you system that helps you fix the top 6 secrets, problems why most affiliate marketers are failing. Now, let's look at what ClickBank wrote on their website. They wrote an article, why most affiliates fail and what to do about it. What they haven't done, they haven't updated the top 6 reasons why affiliate marketers are failing in 2020 and will continue failing in 2021. Now, you may be thinking, what's the catch? Why am I revealing to you the top 6 secrets gurus don't want you to know and will probably hate me for telling you? Very simple. If I can help you figure out what you're doing wrong and help you fix why you're failing, you're going to buy more products from me in the future after the webinar, just like I have done for those gurus that were honest with me and didn't take me for a ride. Now, before I reveal the 6 secrets, let's go over a couple things. It's not your fault why you're failing. Do you understand that? It's not. You've been lied to, and you have probably tried 3 to 5 different programs, just like I have. You've been lied to with false claims, false promises, and many gurus, you already know that they're not really making the cash that they're claiming, right? Now, you're probably wondering if this is another scam opportunity video. I don't blame you, because most of them are hiding the truth just simply to convince you to buy their product. They don't want you to know the truth. Now, you're probably worried about buying another product and not working out. Don't worry, because even if you don't buy at the end of the webinar, you'll still walk away, you'll still learn for free what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. That means those scam gurus, they're not going to be able to scam you when they're presenting those programs to you. You'll be able to see through whether it's worth it or not. Now, another thing is, if you don't figure out what you're doing wrong, what do you think is going to happen? Will you be able to quit your job? Will you be able to control your time? Will you be able to wake up and work when you want, where you want to work from, or spend more time with your kids, or travel, or do just, basically do anything you want? You're not going to be able to do that. So you need to really work at fixing this problem. Now, let's pay attention, guys. Turn off all cell phones, all distractions, because I'm going to go over the top 6 secrets that gurus are purposely hiding from you. Well, for one thing, advertising costs are higher today than 5-10 years ago. This is a big problem. On the average, it takes 200 visitors to get 1 sale on the average. At $1 per click times 200 clicks, it comes out to $200. So now if you take and multiply 0.5%, which is an average, okay, what it will take to get 1 sale. So 0.5 times 200 people, visitors, okay, will get you roughly about 1 sale. Now, what's better, a low payout of $50 or a higher payout of $248? Okay, if you're promoting a $50 product, $75, $100 product, and you just spent $200 on advertising, and you're going to get only 1 sale, okay? You're going to get 1 sale out of 200 visitors, okay? You're going to lose money. But if you select a higher payout program that pays out $200, $248, you're either going to break even or you're going to make some profit, okay? Does that make sense? Now, why are they hiding their low payout? The reason why is if you discover that they're going to pay you low, and now because you're learning what these 6 secrets are, you're going to know that's not going to be enough to cover your marketing costs or make a profit. They don't want you to know that, because you're not going to market that particular program. You're going to market somebody else's program, right? Okay, now, what's the solution to high costs? Very simple. Select and market high payout affiliate programs, just as you're going to learn in the webinar after this. For those that go and attend the webinar, you're going to learn about his done-for-you system and his high payout program. Now, another thing that gurus are hiding from you is they're cutting you out out of the big money on the back end. What do I mean by that? Well, you see, when you send traffic to their website and people buy their product, they're adding people to the list. They're marketing to those people on their list, okay? And they're not paying you on the back end. They're going to have products that they're going to be offering to the very same people that you drove traffic to their website, that they purchased their product, but they're going to cut you out of the major high-end products that cost $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. You're not going to make any commission on that. So they're ripping you off, basically. They're cutting you out. Now, the other thing is you're not focusing, more than likely, you're not focusing on building a list, which should be your number one focus as an affiliate marketer. You may be currently sending traffic direct to your vendor's website. They're collecting all the emails. You're not building your own database so you can follow up on these people later on and create passive income. Okay, building an email list is another training in itself. Okay, however, in the webinar, they're going to be providing a done-for-you system which will do all the email marketing for you. Now, who is John Thornhill and why should you train his webinar? Well, not only is he a top JVSU product affiliate vendor, he's a top 1% ClickBank Platinum vendor as well, affiliate. In addition to that, he's a world-renowned product creation, product launch success coach. For those who are interested in eventually creating your own product and doing product launches, then John can help you with that. He has an excellent program. Now, what is the second reason why you should attend? Very simple. Even if you don't purchase anything at the end of the webinar, you will still learn for free what to look out for when you go look for an affiliate program to promote, okay, that fixes your problem. You're going to discover a done-for-you proven system that John designed purposely to address the 6 major problems that I revealed to you, the 6 secrets, okay, why other affiliate marketers are failing and are going to fail in 2021. Now, John Thornhill, here's a screenshot of John Thornhill. He earned $36,000 in a 7-day JV competition in JVSU. Here it is. Here are some other names: Doug Champney, Ian DeCarmen, Dave Finnan. These are people that are top affiliates, okay? And for this particular campaign, John earned the highest amount of money. Okay, now, who is this webinar for? It's for affiliate marketers that are failing and making little or no money, and also want to learn what they're doing wrong and how to fix it. Or for newbies who are considering affiliate marketing and will prefer a plug-and-play system that's already done for them, that they don't have to worry about any of the technical stuff. Now, who is this webinar not for? If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, this is not for you. Go look for something else, because this is going to require you to work hard, and it's going to require time to grow your business to $5,000, $10,000 a month. No gimmick here, just a lot of hard work involved. Now, let's look at the limited time bonus offer. There are 2 bonus offers that I'm going to introduce here for you. One is my personal bonuses over here for the first 10 buyers. Okay, they're going to get 10 free text video-based training, okay, at a value of $570, and free 10 30-minute coaching calls for the task below at a value of $500, because 10 30-minute coaching calls are 5 hours of one-on-one coaching. Okay, you're going to be able to go over these things down here. These are the only things that I will be coaching you on for those that are interested. You will get to do a one-on-one strategy call planning. You will learn how to write an ebook, create a lead magnet, do on-page, off-page SEO, write SEO articles, create content easily for your blog, how to do keyword research, how to create YouTube videos so they can market on YouTube. The other thing is John Thornhill is going to offer you a bonus for fast action takers. Okay, the bonus, okay, it comes out to about $5,000. What he's going to be doing is he's going to be giving you 5 free paid traffic package bonuses where he drives traffic to your page, whatever page you're going to use to promote his webinar, his done for you webinar, evergreen webinar. He's gonna get you started with $5,000 worth of traffic. So it's a win-win for you and for him. Now, if you got some value in this mini training, okay, register now for the free webinar to get more free training. Learn how his done for you system will help you fix and solve the 6 major reasons why you and affiliate marketers are currently failing and will continue failing in 2021. There's only 100 seats available, so register now. Take care, and hopefully you'll enjoy the webinar when you attend the webinar. Thank you. Take care. Bye.